I've got a whole bunch of Jane's Agenda dashboards here, and I am ready to organize them, and I'm going to bring you with me. So let's do it. Hey friends, it's Jen. How's everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today, we are going to organize some of my Jane's Agenda dashboards. I have been subscribed to the Jane's Agenda sub box for a while now, but even before then, the main thing I often would buy from Jane's Agenda were the dashboards because there's no others around that are like hers, in my opinion. They are stunning. They are high quality. They're just beautiful. And so I have a lot of them now. I am also, I will tell you, a Jane's Agenda affiliate. And so if you see things you like, the things that are available, I will try to let you know. You can shop my link down in the description box. I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. You can also save 15% on your first purchase with Jane's Agenda with the code planninggoaled. So I have for a while now been organizing my dashboards, my covers, page finders, things like that on discs. I like that system. That's been working well for me. And I had started to run out of room. I actually just bought these gorgeous clear discs from Jane's Agenda. Let me show you. They are so pretty. These are 1.5 inches, and I started reorganizing some stuff on here, but I decided that I wanted to make a book of all my fall and winter, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all that into one place so that it would make my life a lot easier as I'm setting up my planner over the next few months. And I already had this cover on these gold discs from Happy Planner, and I think this size disc will be just fine for this endeavor. If I have enough room, I may or may not add other seasonal covers into here, but I may not. So we're just going to kind of see together. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to get started. So I'm going to put this one on the top because I think it'll look really pretty when the planner, if you want to call it that, the archive. I usually call them archives. When the archive is closed, I think that'll be really pretty. This was a cover that we got last year, I think in the November box. It's so pretty. I love it. This dashboard, I don't remember, but this was also from a sub box. So most of the ones from the sub boxes you can't get, but some of them you can. So I'm starting off, if you can't tell, with the fall themed dashboards, and then I'll probably go into specifically Halloween. And maybe, I mean, it's kind of hard because things that maybe I would think of as like a pumpkin, like it could go either way. It could go October, it could go November, but I do have some that are like more specific Halloween. So I think I'll do those after these. This was one of my favorite dashboards. It is so beautiful. And this was the set that was meant to go with this cover. Really pretty. Let's see here. Do I have any more? Yes. I love fall stuff. How about you guys? So this is really pretty. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, all right. Okay, I found some more. So this, back in the day, I was subscribed to just the monthly cover club, and we had received these with a cover. I don't even remember exactly which cover it went with. And then the other side was a plaid. And so because I didn't have like, you know, all the dashboards, I wasn't getting the full subscription back then. I had kind of created this with the thank you card, and I've left it and I've used it again, and I really like it. So I leave it. And I mean, I think I could probably take the washi off and undo it and it would be okay. But for now I leave it because I like it. So I'll put this on. And then there's this one is really pretty. And this one is so pretty. Whoops. Oh, I didn't realize that was on there. Okay, I want this in my Halloween section. Was it double-sided or no? Huh, I don't remember. Okay. All right. So then these aren't necessarily specifically fall, but they have like somewhat of a fall vibe, and I feel like this came in a fall box before. This came in like an August box, but I just want to put them in here because I could see myself using them. And like I said, I'm kind of doing this for convenience. If you don't know, I love to set my planner up from month to month. My planner is a half-letter planner, or also Jane's Agenda calls it Junior, 8 discs. So now I'm going to put a page finder to mark the start of going into Halloween stuff. So where did I put that? So this is really a pretty fall one. Okay. And then I'm going to put this, which has the cat on the back. I'm trying to remember if we had one with the cat, like, so it was on this side. I don't remember. I thought we did for some reason, but maybe not. All right. And then anything else? So I have, we had received this vellum and a dashboard. Where's the dashboard? Oh, I found the cat, the other cat. We did. Okay. So this dashboard, I think, had come with this vellum maybe, but I had actually used the dashboard with the cover we had received this year, and then we had gotten this really cool note paper, and I liked how it was with the vellum layered over it. So I wanted to put that pairing in here in case I want to use it this season. The October aesthetic we're getting this year, which the unboxing of that will be coming as soon as I receive my box. It's not Halloween themed this year, but I might still do a little Halloween decor in one section of my planner, perhaps. I'm not sure. So we'll put this in here. And let me dig in my pile, but I think that's all the spooky stuff I have. Let me see. All right. And if you like for instance, like this, to subscribers, Jane had released a set of like archived Halloween stuff because some people were a little sad there wasn't any Halloween in the box. I don't know if that sold out. It may have, because I know like people really snatched it up. But she does really listen. They really do listen, and they try so hard to accommodate everyone. All right, so then I'm going to put this page finder. I feel like I have holiday themed page finders that I need to hunt down. Like maybe I overlooked them, but I'm not going to do that right now. So now we're going to switch into Christmas. Okay, so we have the holiday sweaters. I love this. We've gotten this in a box. Really, all of these. I think pretty much all these holiday ones I got in a box. I don't think I bought them separately, any of them. So there's that. Oh, I also overlooked that I had this November vellum, and I'm just going to throw it. Let's see. Just throw it here for now. Ooh, that's a really pretty pairing, isn't it? Ooh. And her vellums, they are such good quality because they're still like transparent enough, but they really are substantial. Like I never worry that they're going to rip. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. What else do I have here? Okay. I've got more Christmas themed. So let's flip back to that. That was a really pretty one. The cookies and the plaid. So that was back when I did Cover Club, I believe. We have this really pretty one. This makes me excited for Christmas. It's a little early. We still aren't even in October, and I don't want to wish away the time ever. And I love fall. I don't want to wish away fall, but I love Christmas too. How about you guys? If you celebrate or share any other holidays that you celebrate that mean a lot to you, Okay, we have winter reading list, winter readiness, and holiday bucket list. I think I'll just put all of these together back with this. This is fine. And I guess I didn't really have any other like explicitly winter, because I feel like when we get into like January and February, like at least this year we had like a financial focus, and like I forgot what February was, maybe self-care, something like that. And so they weren't so specifically like winter themed dashboards, but my stuff is a little bit in disarray, you guys. So I think I have the room. I think I'm going to add any page finders or covers I have so that they're all together, and I'll just add those in at the back. But I will leave maybe a dashboard here just for beauty, because I'll probably have this on my desk. Let's just put this. Okay, so then it'll look like that. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so I have a couple things here on the desk to add in. This is one of their hybrid dashboards that I thought like I could see myself perhaps using it within this season. Maybe I'll use that to mark off where I'm going to throw in the other covers. I have this really cool kind of Halloween-y cover. I think I'll do them one at a time. I'm going to put in here. Ooh, that looks pretty. That's a really pretty combo. Oops, I want to keep that there. Okay. I also have this page finder I'm going to add in here. I'm just going to add it here for now. Okay. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I have these covers that were Christmas covers, and I think because like I also keep my goal planner as a half letter. I'm always evolving my system, and I've been trying to stick a lot of my stuff to the junior half letter size, because that way it makes things more interchangeable. And I like that because I kind of figure things out as I go. And then look at this gorgeous fall cover. Let's see, that was the back, so I went like this. This was such a pretty one. This one I had bought out of the shop. But I think it had been from her old subscription box, and I'd really loved it, and people asked for it so much that she'd brought it back, and I was able to get it then. And it's so pretty. Okay, there we go. All right. Yeah, and let me see if there's anything else before we kind of just do a quick flip through. I do have one other Christmas set, but it's holding some things together right now, so I'm going to leave that alone. And also, I have more dashboards that are in use right now that will probably get transferred into here as like I move through seasons. So I think this is cool. What do you think? So let's flip through. So again, I just have it right now on these 1.25 inch discs from Happy Planner. They're gold. A junior size cover. And then we have all my stunning, beautiful fall themed dashboards, which is awesome. They're so pretty. And then, excuse me. Yep. Oh, so pretty, isn't it? I mean, it's just... I feel like it's just so unique what they offer, right? I just think it is. It's just so gorgeous. And then I have a page finder to mark off where I'm going to start getting into my more Halloween specific ones. I don't have that many, but this looks so pretty with that plaid cover. It's awesome. And then I have a page finder marking where I start Christmas time. Christmas, winter, but it's mostly just Christmas. So pretty. Like, huh? And then some functional ones, the holiday bucket list, winter reading list, winter readiness, and the hybrid dashboard to start where, and one more page finder, just, I guess I threw it here. I guess, I don't know, it's fine there. And then we get into the few holiday covers that I have, or fall themed too. And then we get to the back cover. So I think this is going to be so helpful. I'm sure that there's other things I'm going to find as I'm cleaning, because it is my goal to get my office cleaned up. There will probably be more organization videos in the future. So if that interests you, then maybe you want to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so that you will be notified when my videos come up. But I would love it if you would join me here. It's a good time, and hey, it's free. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you organize seasonally by color. You know, how do you go about it? And do you do it on discs? Do you do it in a box? Or do you have some other creative way I never even thought of? I would love to hear about that. I will link for you my most recent video here, as well as my Jane's Agenda playlist. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.